Excuse me, hello, officer. Yes, there's a woman here on South Beach, Miami, and she just let her dog take a shit on the sidewalk and did not pick it up. Excuse me.
Oh, I want abs so bad. And a nice booty. But I can't stop eating pizza rolls and McDonald's. Oh my god.
Oh, Eli. Oh, he's here. I gotta go. I'll call you later. Hey, Danny, I got a new girl, Teresa. What you think? Oh, yeah, she cute. She pretty cute or whatever. You two know each other or something? You cheated on me? You weren't supposed to find out on me. Oh, this is awkward now. Danny, wanna go get some beers? I'll come too. No, bitch. Rush for life, you hear me?
Presents. I love presents. Chopper! You open up that door! Get open that door! You're such an ass!
It's a redneck life for us. It's a redneck life for us. Independent, we drive trucks. Tick till we get stuck. It's a red.
Mika, can I have some? It's yours. A little bit. Can I have that? Can Daddy have some? Yes, it's yours.
Okay, Mom, we're gonna do a trust fall. Put the blindfold on.
Okay.
Okay.
We're spinning it around, right?
Oh gosh. Okay, ready?
I know you don't like this.
Okay.
Sorry. Okay, ready? Careful.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Okay. All right. All right. Pull back. I got you. I got you.
All right.
I got you. I got you.
Okay.
I
Okay.
know.
Oh my
I
god.
know you
Oh
don't
my
like
god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, ready?
Oh,
Put the
God.
blindfold on.
Oh, no, Jax, I don't like this.
Okay, ready? Ready? One.
Stop.
Two.
Stop.
Okay, I got you. Okay, ready? Just back up a little bit. Okay, ready? Okay, are you ready? I got you. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Jax, you can't make it hot.
Yeah, come on. I'm coming. Sorry, I thought I dropped my phone.
Yeah.
Okay.
What was that?
Oh my gosh.
Son of a gun again. Really, Jenny?
Mom! Mom!
Hey Mom, did you know if you put salt on top of ketchup, it heats up? Put some salt. No way!
Wait, do you hear that?
What? Oh, what?
Do you think I'd fall for that, Brad?
Why are you doing this? Eh? What?
Should we risk it?
What are you talking?
That's a stupid question. You know I'll risk anything for you.
Eh?
I'm sorry I'm cheesy, but babe,
Don't call me
I'm
that.
just happy that you like me.
What?
Take my shirt off.
I didn't say that.
How about you take it off? Be a good girl.
Damn, can I eat?
Hi! Are you a Minecraft torch? Cause you light up my world. Mommy found the end portal. I'll see you there. Oops. I always keep running into stuff. I don't know why. Dang start paying attention more. This.
No, 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 no.